Baš su lepe ove gačice. Koji broj ti nosiš?
No, don't you dare! I don't want them to know that we speak the same language.
What? Maybe we know them.
Ej, odakle ste vi?
Joj, vidi šta ona obukla. Liči na hukerku. Vidi guzova.
Stop, she can totally hear you.
Nek me čuje, I don't care. Ej, kako si sine? Lepa ti je ta haljina, super ti stoji. Pozdrav mamu. Aj, čao.
Imam ja jednu devojku za tebe iz našeg sela.
No, I'm happily single. Thanks.
Kažu da je dobra cura, lepa ko ikona, vidla tvoju sliku i zaljubila se.
Are we family?
Pravo da ti kažem ne znam.
Well, pravo da ti kažem neću. So stop trying to auction me off.
Good boy, nice car, papers to America. Do I have any takers? Hey, going once, going twice. Sold! Arkan je živ, ja ti kažem. Te nije, ceca ne bi bila sama tolke godine.
O ja, 100%, ja čito neki dan živi u Grčkoj gdje ceca ima vilu. Zato ona ide tamo često.
Pst, hej, mi smo u crkvu. Ne pričajte gluposti.
I'll take this one, and this one.
Alright, that's gonna be $29.95.
What? I found these on sale. They're supposed to be cheaper, no?
Sorry, ma'am, these are full-priced items.
No, I don't want it. Take it back. Jebati, Amerika samo pare kradu.
You know, these kids don't do nothing. They're lazy. I remember working at 5 o'clock in the morning. Everything by hand. These kids always on their phone. They don't know how to add 2 plus 2 without the calculator.
Well, we are a reflection of our parents.
Ready to order?
Yeah, I want fish.
Fish? We're at a pizza place. I'm so sorry, he's foreign. Mama, I don't feel good. Can you come pick me up from school?
Sorry, honey. Me and Tata are at work. Baba's gonna come get you, okay?
Baba?
Did you lose this?
Where do you think you're going? I'm going out. Not like that, you're not. Go put on a coat. A coat's gonna ruin this outfit. And where the hell am I gonna put it? I don't care. Go put on a coat. You're gonna get pneumonia. It's cold out. Fine. Hey guys, let's start the party.
Keep posted on upcoming videos by subscribing to my channel down here. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at surgeon_general and Facebook and Twitter at surgeongeneral.